In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how you're going to be able to take advantage of the welcome offer deal on CrownCoins Casino to easily make $40 to $50 in just about 15 minutes of time. This is one of the best casinos to get started on to understand how you can take advantage of online casinos and make $5,000 to $10,000 a month. And this is one of my personal favorite casinos because I've personally made thousands of dollars with this. So the first thing you guys want to do is you guys want to use the link on the website or in the description of this YouTube video to sign up for CrownCoins Casino. And then once you're doing that, you're going to be able to buy the first welcome offer bonus. So as you can see, we have the welcome offer deal right here. 24 for $65. That's a 170% gain that you're going to be getting on this deal, and you can easily keep this 170% basically edge you're getting over the casino by washing this money in a mathematically profitable way, which I will show you in this video. So first things first is buy this. Go ahead and put your information in and verify your identity, and then buy the pack. You also want to look for any other deals on the casino that you have other than the welcome offer deal. Like for example, I have this one where it's $6 for $21. Go ahead and buy any other deals like this. It's a 250% gain, and once you're done buying these deals, then we're going to wash the money and then cash it out to our bank account. Alright guys, now that we have our balance loaded up, we're basically going to have to wash the money. We have to wager through it one time in order to cash out, because you can't just immediately cash it out. You have to play through the balance once. So my personally favorite method to do this is to use a live game called Spin a Win. So you just search up Spin a Win in the bar, and if you don't have access to Spin a Win because it's not allowed in some states, then I also have an alternative for you as well. So as you can see, we have Spin a Win right here. It's a live game, so we're going to go on it, and then we're going to wait for it to load up here. Alright, so once you have Spin a Win loaded up, you're basically going to do $1 bets on odd. This is basically a 0.75x, and it's a 99% RTP, so you're only going to expect it to lose about $1 for every $100 you wager. Then you want to go over to autoplay and do as many spins as you have dollars. So for example, I have $84. We're going to just do 70 spins and start it, and then we'll do the rest after. So you're going to let this run through, and then it's going to probably take a little bit, a couple minutes, and then once you have it fully wagered through, then you can cash out. There's another method as well if you don't want to do this, where you can go to home and you could do Epic Joker. This is going to maybe take a little bit of more time, but it's a very good high RTP slot, which is return to player, which means on average how much you'll get back for every spin that you play. So we're going to load up Epic Joker here, and we're going to be doing around 5 to 10 cent spins. So 10 cent spins will take less time, but it might have a little bit more variance to it, where you can do 5 cent spins to even be safer. Then you're basically going to press the play button right here, do unlimited spins, and you're just going to let this play through until your balance is fully redeemable, so you can cash out. Once you're ready to cash out, you just press new redeem, and then cash out the money to your bank account, and it should on average take 1 to 3 days to get the money to your bank account. Alright, so once you've cashed out, you just successfully managed to make around $50 to $60 of profit on CrownCoins Casino, and you can easily rinse and repeat these strategies on all the other casinos on our website. If you haven't checked out our website already, make sure you guys check this out. We have all the lists of the best casinos to hit up with all the welcome offers. We have all of them ranked with their tiers. We have guides. We have every possible resource you need. We have guides here that show you everything, that how to, every resource you need for completely free. We also have a deal in free SC updater. So as these new deals come out, we can also email them to you or update them on our website, which will allow you to get all the best deals on our website. So that was WinWise. Make sure you guys subscribe, and make sure you guys, do the other casinos on our list, and make sure you guys do all of these casinos, because you can easily make $5,000 to $10,000 a month if you rinse and repeat all these casinos on our list. We have all of them laid out here. You can make $1,708 just by doing this in like the first day if you just knock all these out. Anyways, guys, this is WinWise, and we're going to be also making more videos soon. So thank you guys for watching, and bye.